Hello from Cars FIX Sevt AUTO. In this video clip I'm going to show where is located the fuel filter of Citroën C4 Aircross produced from 2012 to 2017. That's 1.6 HDI. It's the filter is behind the air filter. You see it where on the right of the engine, the air filter. That's the air filter there, and behind it, behind the air filter. To remove the fuel filter, you have to take out the air filter first. And then after that, there's a 3 bolts that keep hold the air filter, fuel filter. You have to reconnect all cables there. First the cables here on the MAF sensor. It's on the on the air filter. There is one bolt that keep the to release the air filter. To remove it, then the air filter is going out. There's another one up. Once the air filter is out, now I have to reconnect the cables of the fuel filter. Then there's 3 bolts we have. That's the connection of cables. See, other one, and the other one is there's 3 bolts that keep the fuel filter. 2 on the left. See there. That's two nuts have to loosen from there. 1 on the right is behind the pipe, behind the pipes there. It's hard to see it, but when you move the pipes, fuel pipes, you'll see it. Once you take it out, once you loosen it, the fuel filter is coming out. You just carefully take it out of the place, and then you have to release the fuel pipes. There's two pipes for fuel. That's going in the fuel filter. One is going in, the other one is going out. Here I show here on the right is the third nut that have to be unscrew there, and filter is coming out. See, I take out the pipe, fuel pipe, both of them. Then another cable have to reconnect. See, and the filter is ready for replacing. Yeah, here we have to loosen it. I use that tool. It's easy with it. New filter, I have to put, take a little bit diesel from the old filter and put on the O-ring on the top of the new filter always, and put that new filter in the place. Tight it. You can use a little bit the tool. But not much. Just a little to secure it. Everything is done. It's not necessary more than this. Yeah, that's it. Now that's coming out from the old filter. Put on the new filter. Don't forget there's a O-ring, a rubber O-ring. If it's coming, the filter is coming with new one, don't forget to put it on. Or if it's not there, not new, you have to put the old one, because otherwise you'll be you'll have problem, because it's gonna be leak of diesel. Now this is plastic. You tight it only by hand. Don't use any tools to tight it. Only by hand, as much as you can, but only by hand. That's all. Then put the filter back in the place. Reconnect the cables, all cables, don't forget it, plus and put the 3 knots on the place. Put on the place and put the 3 knots and tight it. But before put the 3 on the place, when you put it, put the pipe in, and for pipe in, fuel going in, and pipe for fuel going out. Don't mix it. have to put the notes. You just write it and then reconnect the cables. Connect the cables again and that's it. Then put the air filter on the place. Yeah, that's done and everything is done. Then because that's fuel filter, and this car has a fuel pump that's in the reservoir, you have to fill the filter with diesel at least 10 times. Put the key on off about 10 times. You can hear the pump in the reservoir, and that's will take out all air that's in the system. Fill the filter with fuel and then start the car. Thank you very much for visiting our channels. That one is Cars FIX Sevt AUTO, and the other one it's Peter's Garage. Thank you again.